Are you thinking about starting a food blog, but are worried about how you'll keep coming up with new ideas? Or are you a current food blogger who feels like you're running out of ideas? Fear not, culinary creator. Here are 10 tried and true strategies to ensure your food blog always has fresh content. Number 1, keyword research. One of the best and most effective ways to generate new content ideas for your recipe blog is to use keyword research tools. These tools can help you identify the most popular searches related to food and recipes. Some of the best keyword research tools you can use include Google Keyword Planner, which is a part of Google Ads, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. By using these tools, you can discover trending topics and create blog posts that resonate with your audience. And depending on how popular your blog is, you can also identify article ideas that you will have a better chance to rank for. Number 2 is Roundup Posts. Another great way to create fresh content for your food blog is by creating Roundup Posts. These posts are collections of your existing content organized around a specific theme. Examples could include the best gluten-free recipes, our top 10 chicken recipes, or 15 Instagrammable desserts. Roundup posts not only provide value to your readers, but can also help you repurpose old content and drive more traffic to your blog. Number 3 is to share your favorite kitchen tools. You not only create recipes, but you likely use several kitchen tools and gadgets when you cook. Share your reviews of your favorite kitchen tools by creating informative blog posts around them. Not only does this add to your content, but recommending products you love with affiliate links is a great way to make some extra money from your blog. Number 4 is to analyze social media and Pinterest trends. One of the best ways to create trendy and popular recipes is to check out the trends on popular social media platforms. Pinterest is a great resource for this. Create mood boards in your niche or explore popular recipe boards for new recipes. There's also a special page on Pinterest of trending topics. Head over there and type in your recipe niche and check out what's popular on Pinterest. Instagram is also a great place to discover new trends and popular foodie bloggers. Use that inspiration to create posts that are widespread and trending. Number 5, explore international cuisines. Expand your horizons by trying recipes from around the world. Every culture has its own treasure trove of dishes waiting to be shared. This can be an ongoing series like Taste of Thailand Tuesdays or French Fridays. I think another thing that's interesting about learning about international cooking is learning about the similarities between different cuisines. When I was working on my food blog, I started doing a lot of Indian recipes, and I noticed a lot of similarities between the way that Indian food is prepared and Mexican food is prepared. Number 6, go with the seasons. Don't forget about the seasons and holidays that are coming up. People are always looking to impress their friends and family at holiday parties year-round. Use the inspiration of the seasons to create recipes that are perfect for every occasion. From Mother's Day brunches to Thanksgiving spread, showcase your recipes in a way that makes them special for whatever the event is. Just be sure to plan ahead. You want to get those recipe posts out about a month before the holiday starts. Number 7 is reinvent the wheel. They say you can't reinvent the wheel, but sometimes that's a great way to get more ideas for your recipe blog. Take out an old classic recipe like spaghetti and meatballs and create a new spin on it. Try making it gluten-free or healthier or even vegan. Other ideas might include turning dinner into breakfast, think breakfast tacos, or combining 2 different cuisines to make something entirely new. Number 8, collaborate with others in your niche or even outside of your niche. One of the best ways to keep your content fresh and generate more ideas is to collaborate with others. This could mean hosting a joint Q&A session, guest blogging on other people's sites, or creating a theme-based recipe roundup post. Collaborating with other food bloggers can not only help you come up with new ideas, but it can also help you build relationships and grow your audience. Try doing a mashup with someone outside of your direct food blogging niche. Maybe you can inspire each other to try something new or create a new take on something. Number 9, challenge yourself and your audience. Why not try setting a fun personal challenge like 30 salads in 30 days or a week without processed food? You can document your journey and not only create content, but also expand your culinary repertoire. It's a great way to add some excitement to your meals and to explore new flavors. You can also challenge your audience to recreate your recipes or post their own original creations. This helps build community and engagement with your readers. Number 10 is to share your favorite tips and tricks. If you're good in the kitchen, chances are you've picked up a few tips and tricks over time. Share your expertise with others by creating blog posts that feature your favorite kitchen hacks. This can include anything from how to make a perfect risotto to finding the best vegan substitute for eggs. And here's a bonus: engage your audience. Don't forget about the most important source of inspiration, your audience. Encourage your readers to share their ideas and experiences with you by creating polls, surveys, questions and answers, or running contests. This will not only give you great blog post ideas, but also help you build relationships and loyalty with your readers. These strategies will help keep your food blog constantly buzzing with fresh content ideas. Whether you use keyword research, analyze social media trends, or collaborate with other food bloggers, there are plenty of ways to keep your blog recipes full of flavor. Bon appetit! And speaking of keeping your blog buzzing, how about making sure it's easily found by food enthusiasts like you? Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a pivotal role in making your delicious content discoverable to a wider audience. Check out this video here where I'll show you all the ins and outs of optimizing your food blog posts for search engines. Learn about the best SEO practices, improve your food blog's visibility, and ultimately draw more foodie traffic. Let me know what questions you have about building and growing your food blog. And of course, I'm here to help you build a better food blog. So let me know what questions you have down below about building and growing your food blog. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm Tim from RealWebsiteHints.com, and it's my mission to help you find the best and easiest ways of building great websites.